Hi, Bobby, what do you think? Huh? Better than 40 below? Where are you going? We're not done here. She's blowing. Snowing and blowing. It's drifting everywhere. It's quite windy. We went from minus 43 Celsius to minus 19 Celsius and a blizzard in 24 hours. I think the horses are a lot happier. It was brutally cold for a few days. They're just finishing up their hay here. They were on free choice hay for the past few days, week. Everybody's gonna have a roll in the same spot. Okay. Careful, Skid. There's a horse coming. Skid is a lot happier too. Still needed his booties though. He had cold feet. We tried without first. And doesn't need his onesie today. Careful, Skid. Skid, get out of that. Just the one coat. Careful. Oh, it's just blowing off the roof. It's a blizzard. Another one rolling. Shoot her again. So Skid and I are gonna have to go to town today to get some of our groceries for a Christmas meal, and my girlfriend's coming with us. My husband picked her up at the airport in Prince George yesterday, so we're gonna have to be heading out this morning, brave the roads and the blizzard, and do a running around in town. It's still a blizzard. Stay close, Skid. Hey, Skidboot. Come here. Let's see how badly it drifted here. Oh boy. Not too bad here yet. Oh no, there's a rabbit. Is there a rabbit? Oh no. Are you a rabbit? A barking rabbit. You're crazy! You're insane! It's as deep as your belly! It's as deep as your belly! Yeah, come over here now, Skid. Come, this way. Come here, all the way. Come. Come here, all the way. Good boy, accanto, next to me. Sit, sit. Good job. It's actually not too bad. I'm surprised. I guess it's blowing so hard, it's blowing it right across. And it helps that we haven't had a lot of snow. Because otherwise, this is all bare here. If there was more snow here, this driveway would definitely look a lot better. Worse, I mean, not better. One of my bows blew off. I have to fix that. big deal. But it's a bit of a misery on the highway. The highway itself is not bad. Visibility is pretty poor. Okay, let's go across the highway here, Scouts. Oh, well, it could be worse, I guess. But it's not very nice up here. It's howling. Woo! Woo. Oh, this is the nippy wind. Whoa! That's brutal. Holy crap! That takes your breath away. Oh! I know to see how bad it is to get to the hay tomorrow. We drifted in here. Woo! Woo. No, it could be worse. Let's go this way. Turn around because this hurts my face. She's just howling up here. I can't tell how fast these guys are going, so I'd rather wait. It's freezing up here. Oh, Skid. Oh. Alright. Let's get back to the ranch. Oh, Skidley, look at you. Where are you, Robbie? There you are. Go away. I think it's going to be very busy in town. It's just sort of the farmer's first. But are you moving? Turning that off? Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yep, have a great day.
You too. Okay. They're closed? No way. Oh crap! I was gonna get dog food. Okay, grocery store, I guess. Well, that's sucky. Open the door. Open. Get closer. Oh, we're getting somebody opening up for us. How many are you? I know I need bananas. Bananas. Need bananas too? You like
Is that what it is? Good. Really good. Yeah.
Okay. For 7. Wait. Over.
No. I don't mind taking 5 minutes to stop.
Let's see, which one does Daddy like? Baby gills, maybe? Kosher style. We'll try these. Yep. I think you have plenty of milk. There's like 3 liters or something about it. Yeah, they need sour cream and yogurt. Wait, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yep, that's fine. Angle's good? Yep. We can always look at the other stuff and put that out. Sour cream, I said. Oh, gotta get over. I'm not gonna get it. Here. Over. Yeah, well, no, you're not the only one. Me too. Well, we'll go to the other store too. Okay, kids. Oh man, there's insanity here. I'm gonna use this. I need shoes. But I think we have to grab it at the other store. I'm going around in here right now. I can't barely think straight. Okay, well, okay. Get some coffee, get coffee. Is it? Come. Okay, coffee. Ah, good puppy. Okay, can we get up? I might get some more. Trying to be in and out, right, Jess? Alright, puppy. Oh, that's very good job. Oh, I'm find a cookie for you. Okay, let's see this up curly without running into stuff.
Oh, it's cold out there. Come on. Let that me.
Why? Alright, go. Okay. Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright, to this side. Good job. Careful. It's crazy.
Busy.
It is crazy. Okay, wait. Good job. Okay.
Frozen hash browns that way?
Probably this way.
They are? Okay, I'll keep coming.
Fries
I don't know if you can buy me.
The fries are here, so I think they're the left or something. I know I've seen them in the past.
Yep, thank you.
Good boy. This is very overwhelming. Some sales. For 10. Like, yeah. Anything goes. Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness. And I think we're done in here. And we'll have a few more things at the other store. Are you going away here? Sorry. We can move. No, we're good. What's the line? Is that a line already? I don't even know what the line is.
I don't think you will buy me.
Okay.
So,
Thank you. Hi. Take some pictures of us if I never have any pictures of us. We made it without having to run out. Everything. Good job, kid. Good job.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you can go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh boy.
Sorry, you need to go back up.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. I have an
Yeah, no worries.
6 minutes.
No worries. It will be a while here with our stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lots of Christmas goodies.
yeah, I gotta survive for another week or so.
Does your dog always wear a GoPro?
Most of the time.
Spy dog.
He's an undercover police dog.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bags, don't worry. We have bags, very I always used to come late when it's busy. And I knew it was going to be
Got a little camera mounted on her.
I know, eh? Undercover dog.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Skiddy. You can just turn around for a minute here. Okay? Yeah, turn around. Oh, I can't just open your boot. Hold on, dog. You have to get a hand.
Oh, a little.
Just bring it here and then you can see the right one. Okay. You want to go get it?
You can add it in. I wouldn't.
Okay.
Not at all.
Alright, Skiddy. Let me just quickly fix the boot here because I don't want to lose that thing. Alright, Skid. Alright, thank you. You gotta go get a hand, buddy. Okay, come on up there. Good job. I'm supposed to get a ham. Is that at the breed's back?
Free cheesy ham. No, we should have them here.
Over here? Okay.
And I just got to match yours to the other receipt. Okay, what was the name on it?
For each goods, I don't know if there's a name on it. Never said anything. Got it. Okay. Hey. You gotta get out of here too. Look at me, got it. Skip, got it. Look at me, got it. Skip. Okay, Cookie. Got it. Oh, good, good, good. Back. Good boy, good backing up. Good job. Oh, very good.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Okay. Back into the storm. I know I did these ones out, but okay, that was a little insane in there. But yeah. I did better than last week actually. Oh, you want to carry that?
You have 4 bags. Yeah, it's not easy. It's
Yeah, okay.
the full fish over there.
Okay.
For that?
Where's the lead? I have to feel people like me when I leave. Okay, let's go across the street before we get run over. Check the camera, make sure it feels right. Oh my goodness. Where else did it? Oh, you. Right. Get, get. Oh, you want to look at the time? Good job! That's good job! Okay, we got some You want a cookie? I can't even get to my cookies. Let's see, pink cranberry. Oh, Rio Red grapefruit. None, yeah. Gotta back up, Skid. I can't read the price. Back. Can't. Just say 10. Okay. Mango tangerine. Any luck with turkeys? No. You haven't seen any? Oh my goodness. This way. That's a big one. Oh, good buddy. Oh, that's really good. That's good. Oh, wait. Very good job. Yeah. Yeah, leave it. Come. What are we going to begin to get turkey? Hey, we need to try. Right? I don't see any. You watching Bettina? Are you watching her? Otherwise you go look to her walk. You guys have any English muffins? Well, I can't find any. And also turkeys. You guys have any turkeys left? Seems the whole town is sold out of it.
We literally felt like we just had the whole country here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What? Oh my goodness, I'm glad I came later.
Yeah, I don't think we have any
Okay.
more.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Well, at least we got that.
Anything else?
No, we're good, thank you. We've got everything now. That's my part right here. Thank you so much, sir.
The only other thing I can think of is for English muffins.
What's up, buddy?
Oh. Out of the Pillsbury ones too.
Oh. Oh, well, we'll have to improvise.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your help. Appreciate it.
Happy
Merry
holidays.
Christmas. Yeah, thank you. Alright, I guess we're done then. No muffins. No muffins. Okay. You both open? Straight there. I mean, they're open. Sorry. Skidboot. Oh, that's very good. Very, very good. Merry Christmas. That's the Tina. Okay, let's put it in the truck, go to the hardware store, and then we just got 2 more things to go. My key is not working. Please, all of them. That one over there too. Yeah. I know. Jesus, that's a little fast. This is the job for me. Let's go. Okay, hardware store. Christmas stuff. How are you?
Oh, hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good.
All the little booties on and
I know, eh? I know. Crazy Glue? That's... Where would that be?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Oh, I know what it is, I think.
Yeah.
It just came to me.
Over where these stoves and stuff
Yeah,
are.
exactly. Yeah, I can remember now.
I found
Let's go get some Crazy Glue. The next one. Next section. Next section. That's where it is. Crazy Glue. Over? Nope. All the way, please. Turn around. Did it stop? Good. Alright. Oh goodness, is it summertime?
Yeah. It's warmed up out there now.
We're gonna look at some hot packs. And where's my list? Crazy Glue. Oh, ladies slipper. I gotta go back to sure. That's something. Let's do this, guys. Sorry about it. Next up. Small little stuff. Got it. Kiss dog. Is it? No. Leave that. Let's see those. Maybe don't have to leave it. I know this is super tempting. Okay. Gloves that I was looking for, but I have to deal with it at the other stores. We don't have Remember, Skidly, this was the first without training when you were just starting out. Remember that? Yeah. And some just happen here. I don't see any. I don't see them. I don't see any of those eaters. Well, look at the picture stuff and then the done. Oh, look at these, they're cute. Good job.
I'm in your way.
No, it's fine.
Oh, where'd you find the hand warmers?
By the gloves.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At the bottom, and there's some boxes. Okay. Happy holidays, that's cute. Boy, good, you do super. Oh, what is this? There's some cute stuff here. Let's get out of here.
You guys looked at your sleds?
Too many people in here. Okay.
Have a good one. Gabe.
You too. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, they were talking about canceling one.
Thank you. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Okay. I'm gonna throw that in the truck quickly so we don't have to carry it around. Come on, Skid, you gotta get off there. Okay, one more store done. Yay! Puppy, focus. What are you doing? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it is great in this town today, eh? Okay, let's go to Mountain View. Be sure Merry Christmas too. Okay, my book cross right now. I need dressed up.
She's all dressed out.
Well, Skidly's got his Santa Claus hat.
Oh, Skidboot gets to record what he sees in a day?
Yeah! You can find it on his channel, Service Dog Skidboot.
Woohoo! Oh yes, I think I've seen it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super cool. Okay,
Yeah, Merry Christmas!
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty out.
How are you today?
Not too bad.
Cat. Come up here, Skid. That's crazy busy. Yeah, anyhow, I guess we're gonna head out.
Well, you guys have Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Tina, and Merry Christmas to Art.
Home when you get home.
I guess I should have started filming before I started eating. Because yours is already half eaten too. Me, I'm hungry too. And Skidly's taking a break down here. No shake. Have fun, eh? Thank you, Merry Christmas, you guys.
Likewise.
Thank you. These socks are awesome. I have a pair like they're so warm. Turn around. Let's have a quick look at your gills. No. It's nice to have Auntie Bettina. It's nice to have Auntie Bettina back. Yeah.
Oh, look at my hair.
Oh, that is cute. Is that a dog fish? Leave it. No, leave it. It's not for you. Coming over here. That is not for you. Aww. That is very cute. These are so neat, these decorations. I bought one for myself. I think I'm going to one, but okay. Turn around. Up front. Stop. Over, over, over. Good. Oh no. But the 50% off. That's even better. Let's get this and then we'll. Oh man. Come on up here. I gotta go get my water bottle before I forget it. Let's look at the now. Can you give this to Franny? Can you give this to Franny? Take it? Well, you gotta open your mouth. Okay, bring it. Good job. Don't drop it. Uh-oh. That's not very good. You go get it. Get the bottle. Up. You're not gonna hold on, then I have to carry it. You both carry that. That's a really nice tree skirt. Okay. Oh wow.
Everything's pretty for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Some of these for you.
Okie dokie. We can go to our truck. Oh boy, good. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody. See ya. Oh, that's heavy. You looking for a cookie? You're a big ass, huh? Okay, let's go to the truck. this way, buddy. It's another blizzard. Oh. It's very, very wet. Snow, almost raining.